Hi there, it's been a little while since I made any videos and recipes. Today I'm going to be making some eggplant, delicious eggplant. I already freshly chopped eggplants and it's very healthy. It's like a meaty, so I already cut it and put some olive oil, and I'm going to put it in the boiler, or either if you like grill on the grill, it's faster, but I'm using a boiler, and I'm gonna put it under for like 10 minutes or so. I chopped 2 eggplants into 2 pieces, and so they're all together 4 of them, and I'm gonna put it in the boiler. This is a tomato paste you can find in a Middle Eastern aisle, and I have some freshly peeled garlic, big giant tomato, and 1 large onion, and I have a parsley. Let's get started. 2 tablespoons of oil, chopped onion, pepper. It's not too spicy, so I'm going to cut it little piece because I don't like too spicy. While onion getting sauteed, okay, I only took a little bit off of this. You can see still less than a half of them, because you can use it if you want. You can use the whole thing if you like spicy. I just like very mild. Okay, I'm going to add tomatoes. You can see the garlic. Okay, now almost the water all evaporate almost. Just a little left. Then I'm going to put parsley. I'm just waiting for the eggplants to be done. Remove it from the boiler, and then I can show you. I'm just going to fill with this, put in a bigger bowl. I'm going to add a little bit of water. It's enough water to make the paste a little bit. And then once the eggplants is done, it's easy to pour it. Look at this, how beautiful the eggplant look. I just removed from the boiler. Now I'm going to fill up with the tomato we made it. And you can see now I'm going to use the paste, tomato paste, and I'm going to add some more water. And if you like salt, you can always add salt a little bit, a teaspoon. You can see now I'm putting a tomato paste. Add a little bit more water, because now I'm going to put in an oven, and we'll come back once it's done, and in a 20 minutes. Putting in an oven. Okay, I just removed from the oven the eggplant. And you can just sprinkle with parsley, fresh parsley. And my plate is ready. My Turkish rice and some Thanks for watching my show. Please subscribe me. Any comments or anything? I can't wait to eat. Thanks. Bye-bye.